Hi guys, in this video tutorial I will show you step by step how to remove a copyright claim. So let's get started right away.
When you upload a video, YouTube runs several checks for you. But maybe you are impatient like me and click the next button without waiting for the checks to complete. I will show you exactly how to fix the copyright claim in a minute. I have created a private test file that contains a copyright claim to test the solutions. I strongly recommend you do the same. To learn more about the copyright claim, click View Details. Hover your mouse over the text to see the full text. So apparently my channel is not affected, and it is not a copyright infringement. So why does it matter? Obviously, I used the song Forest Lullaby from Lesson. The copyright holder is Orchard Music on behalf of Less Free Music. I usually take strict care to only use free music that doesn't require attribution. That was also the case in this instance. At least that's what I thought.
I had unfortunately been tempted by the ambiguous title, royalty free. No copyright music sounded great. A free background music for my video. There is even a download link provided. But if you look very closely, the song is not free. It can be downloaded for free, but you have to buy a license. Here it is written that you can get the music for free. Of course, I wrote an email immediately after noticing the copyright claim and asked for a whitelisting. Unfortunately, I have not received a reply to my email. So here it is white on black. The music can be used for free, but the video may not be monetized. Excuse me, what is wrong with you guys? Now that my curiosity is awoken, let's take a look at what that would cost. The first link already leads to Nirvana. Cool thing. The second link is blocked. It contains potential malware or ads or whatever. Okay. The third link works. How much does this nonsense cost? Yes, this is the right song. I better mute when playing. Not that I should also pay for this video as well.
If you include this background song in your video, it will cost you 11 euros. No thanks. So, as you can see, it does matter if you use this supposed free song.
Now let's see how to fix this problem. Click the 3-point button to see all the available options. Cut out segment deletes the part of the clip that contains the song. This applies to both the video and the audio. This is most likely not what you want.
When you select it, you will notice in the preview that the length of the video has been shortened from 3 minutes and 10 to 1 minute 43.
Press cancel. Let's add some filters first. Choose a genre you like and the duration. The claimed song is 2 minutes and 17 seconds long. You can preview the song. Press the Add button to add it to the timeline.
There is no way to change the volume of the song, therefore I will show you another method to replace a song. Click the Disco Changes button and close the window on the Content tab, select Details, and then open the editor.
Now you can add some filters and finally add a legitimate free background music file. Adjust the length according to your taste. Press the controller to adjust the volume.
Finally, click the Save button to save your changes. Note that this may take some time. If everything went well, the copyright claim should be gone.
For the sake of completeness, I would like to mention the last option.
The mute song button can also be used. Note that mute song is only available in the beta version. To be honest, I have not used these two options, so I cannot say much about how good they actually are. As mentioned at the beginning, it is recommended to use a private video for testing, or re-upload a copy of the copyrighted video for testing purposes. That's it for today. You should have learned how to fix copyright claims in YouTube here. I'll catch you in the next one.